Hi, and welcome to another one of my video reviews. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing our trip to Singapore. I'm going to show you things like how we got from the airport to our accommodation, a walkthrough of our club room at the Grand Park City Hall, and then also how we managed to work out the MRT and actually how simple it is, and I highly recommend it. I'm also going to highlight the use of the club lounge. This was really awesome. There is breakfast there, there is afternoon tea, and then evening canapes and drinks. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to press that like button.
And here we go with our flight from Rome to Singapore. We flew with Etihad Airways, and I have to say, we could not fault them at all. You can see my video review of our flight if you head over to my channel. Our first flight went for 6 hours and 5 minutes. Our stopover was in Abu Dhabi, which was for 3 hours. Then the next leg of our journey was a night flight, which went for 7 hours and 40 minutes. We had to fill out this arrival card before we got on the plane. You'll need to provide your name, your passport number, and then general questions like where you'll be staying, the purpose of your travel, and if you're unwell or not. So Singapore is quite renowned for raining every day. And then, of course, when we landed, it was raining. However, the weather really did clear up quite a bit while we were there, and we enjoyed mostly sunny days. Now, catching transport from the airport to the hotel wasn't as simple as using an Uber, because apparently Singapore doesn't use Ubers. So they have a couple of rideshare options, but the one we chose to use was Gojek. And that's because we already had the app installed on our phone from when we were in Bali. So for us, that was the simplest way to go. Okay, now just like you do with Uber, you just fill in where you want to go. So we've got the Grand Park City Hotel. And then just like Uber, it'll show you all the different prices that there is. And it's in Singaporean dollars. We just picked the first one. And then you can pick how you want to pay. Now we chose cash, and we just took money out at an ATM at the airport. Here is the entrance to the Grand Park City Hall. You'll go through the doors and be met by 2 people here. They will tell you to go up the elevators to get to this area. And that is the main breakfast area in the background there. And then this is where you check in, the main desk. Okay, room 1018. There we are. Oh, lights are turning on as we walk in. That's pretty cool. Oh, I think the fan just started as we walked in too. Pretty nice. So we got the kitchen area there. View's not particularly beautiful by any means, but we didn't pay for a view, so that's what you get. And, right, bathroom. Oh. The lights turn on as you walk in. There you go, and I believe that there's buttons for these to make them privacy screens. Bath. Oh, I'm too tired from all the flying to go into much detail, but there you go. 1018, and it's a club room. Okay, this is a breakfast.
got some dumplings. Fried noodles. Boiled eggs. Bacon, chicken, tomatoes. Sausage, some porridge with different stuff to add into it. Oh, curry. Yum. Butter. It's like a nice little variety. Croissants, breads. Muesli and porridge. Yogurt. Cheese from last night. The salmon from last night. Yeah. And some juices. So just your and coffee. So just your typical morning breakfast that's up in the club room. On top of all the buffet that you have there, and this is the room, and there's an outside area. You also get a choice of these eggs to add to what you already have. There is a noodle station on the back. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe that's at dinner time. I ordered the eggs Benedict, which is meant to come with either ham or salmon, but I asked for without ham or salmon because I'd already filled up. So that's your eggs Benedict. So this is what you get for the afternoon tea. Oh, it's very delicious. Some yummy little cloves and some mousses, water, fruit, soft drink, and tea and coffee. So that's for the afternoon, which is from 2 till 4 o'clock. Also some little cookies, M&Ms, and gummy bears. Okay, this is the evening drinks and canapes. So what have we got? Some fried chicken, chili crab and fried bun, some sauce to go with it. Or maybe that's a chili crab in there. Not sure what that is. I don't understand the explanation. Okay, garlic, thyme and baked chicken. Oh, that looks delicious. Some bread, salsa. Oh, some really nice warm buns. Chili, spices, cinnamon, bay leaves, chocolate tarts. Oh, yum. These look delicious. Oh, wow. Amazing. Ice, champagne, fantastic. Oh, and oh wow. There's more cheeses, salmon and hams. Wow, this is amazing. Yum.
So there you have it. That's the club lounge, which we thoroughly enjoyed and was well worth the money. Okay, now we're up to the tricky part. We're a bit scared to use the MRT at first, but it really wasn't too hard. So the MRT is just a short 5-minute walk from the hotel. You head downstairs and then you will see these signs everywhere. Now we took a photo of the sign so we could keep checking how many stops there was till we had to get off when we were on the train. It was great for cross-referencing. If we're at City Hall and we want to go to Gardens by the Bay, what we're going to do is hop on at City Hall here and we're going to get on the red line. We're going to catch the red line up to here. Then we're going to hop off and we're going to get onto the brown line. And then from the brown line, it will take us to the Gardens by the Bay. Now you don't need to worry about when you hop off and exchange to other stations because there are signs everywhere that point you in the direction. So it's pretty easy. We had a fantastic stay in Singapore. We really enjoyed it. We loved the hotel, the location of it, the club rooms. I think I'd rate it probably a 9 out of 10. Singapore itself, it was so easy to get around and sightsee. And even though it was really, really hot, it was still great getting around at night time. We visited the Cloud Forest, Super Trees, Sentosa, and we would go back again to see more. In the Singapore airport. What is that? Down there. Coming up from who knows where.
And don't forget to press that like button if you like the video. And if you want to see more of my reviews, then please subscribe.